Ways to calm yourself. 1. Walk. Walking helps clear your mind. It offers you a different perspective. 2. Indulge. Take a day off to spend a whole day doing exactly what you want. 3. Be generous. Give something to a total stranger. Acts of giving make us feel warm and fuzzy inside. 4. Sit in a coffee shop or a busy street and soak up your surroundings. You don't have to talk to people. 5. Educate yourself. Research what it is you are experiencing. Arm yourself with knowledge and the resources to tackle the problems head on. 6. Preparation. Write the day's to-do list the evening before. 7. Strengths. Write down a list of 20 of your strengths. 8. Keep going forward. Keep taking small steps, no matter what. Being stagnant doesn't serve you. 9. Revisit an old hobby. If you don't have one, create one. 10. Prioritize. Decide what's important right now. Say no to extra obligations. 11. Sleep. Get enough rest. Sleep 7 to 9 hours each night. 12. Be silly. Do something that you did as a child. Don't take life too seriously. 13. Cry. Release all that emotion. You will feel better. 14. Check your self-talk. Negative self-talk does not serve you. 15. Journal. Develop a habit of journaling. This will help free your mind. 16. Remind yourself that life is a journey. Remember that what you are going through is temporary, it will pass.